Two, please. We do not.
Okay. So we're doing the A? Is that what it was?
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, unless you said they were whole shrimps, so you didn't want to deal with them.
Yeah, no, I don't want to deal with the...
And that's fine. Like I said, like, we have waters and stuff.
Should.
Soap's water.
What?
Soap's water, not like...
Right. No, this is...
Thank you. I always never realized I could make it.
Oh, thank you. You grab mine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The boats. These are like the same exact style that like they had at that place in Boise, only they're like little portable ones. So it's like the same exact like grate on top and everything.
Bro. Sorry, I'm like, there's all side dishes over here that I didn't even notice.
Sorry, yeah, 14 cubes what I was.
Yeah.
Like, tell me these little bits don't look just like bacon.
Huh?
Tell me these bits don't look just like bacon.
Yeah, they do. What'd you get?
The spicy pork bulgogi?
Okay. If she comes by, can we get more rice too? Don't repeat the others. So I went to go do a bunch of errands today. I have a bunch of, well, not a bunch. I have one thing I need to return to Zara. I'm returning the Good American jeans. I think I talked about them. Maybe I didn't. I bought a pair of jeans from the Good American X Zara collab, and they're fine, but just not as good as I was hoping. So I'm gonna return them. And then I'm selling a bag to Fashion File, so I have to go drop that off at Neiman Marcus. I was gonna do that today, but I went to bed at like 1 a.m. last night, and I went to bed like 1 a.m. last night, and I woke up at 7 this morning and made coffee and everything because I felt really awake. But then after I had my coffee and I was kind of just putzing around, I was so tired. Like, I just felt so sleepy, and I fell back asleep, and I woke up at 2 p.m. I just realized, like, today is not the day for that. So we're going to go ahead and just freaking kick back, relax, and watch the season 3 episode of The Boys. If you don't like superhero, if you don't like dark humor, and if you don't like gore, this is not the show for you. But if you like those things, you like dark comics sort of things, do yourself a favor. Start at season 1, especially if you have Amazon Prime already. Start at season 1 and just fucking watch. It is so good. So last night I really wanted Krispy Kreme donuts. Like, I was craving Krispy Kreme donuts, and I did not eat any. So because I didn't eat Krispy Kreme last night, I'm having pizza today. I think it was worth it. Hello again. So today I thought I would give you another unboxing, but I'm just going to do this one in this vlog because I don't want to make it a big thing. When I had gone in April over to Crystal's at the Aria, I got into Versace, and there was a pair of like pool shoes, flip-flops, sandals, slides, thong shoes. My mom always called them thongs when I was growing up. I was a teenager before I realized that a thong was like also a type of underwear. So I used to say like thongs, and people would be like, what? Anyway, I had tried them on. I was gonna purchase them, but I ended up buying the Chanel perfume, so then I didn't have enough money. And so later on, I went to go look to purchase them online. And first I was kind of looking at pre-loved, but in my size, they were always sold out on pre-loved websites. Plus they weren't any more really inexpensive than the regular price. So I went to go buy them online, and when I searched the shoe, I noticed some shops were showing that there was 3 colors, and when I had been in the store, I had seen 2 colors. There was black and there was a baby pink, and I wanted the baby pink. But then another color was showing up. It was like a lime neon green. And so I was like, okay, let me look at this. So I looked at that color, and only 2 stores had it in stock, Nordstrom's and Bergdorf Goodman. So I went to Nordstrom's site, and they only had 1 size left. It was a size 5. That didn't fit me. I went to Bergdorf's site, and they had all the sizes available and 1 pair left in my size, which is a Italian 39. So I ended up purchasing them in the green. So I'm going to unbox this. Also, I got a coupon code from Bergdorf that was 15% off, and it worked on these shoes. It was 15% off your first purchase, and I'd never ordered from them before, so I was able to use it. Plus, they had 10% cash back on Rakuten. My Rakuten link is down below. So I got an additional $35 in cash back. So So this was wrapped like this, but it totally ripped when I was trying to take it out of the box. The original price for these were, I believe, the original price for these were $375. They're the Medusa, I'm not sure what they're called. They're the Medusa head, like flip-flops stuff. I'll put them on the screen. And this one is in the color Flow Green or Neon Green. And then, oh, here it is, the Greeka pool slides. And I got in the color Flow Green, and I ended up paying $318.75 after taxes. So let's unbox. So this actually came from a Bergdorf Goodman store. They had one left in stock. There was some issues with FedEx shipping. I was super annoyed. This came from a Bergdorf in Texas, it looks like. Anyway, I was annoyed with the shipping, but here's the box. It does look like they were a return based on the condition of the box, but that's fine. This has all the product information on the inside, including the authenticity card and then the physical product information. There. You can't really see it, but it just says basically the same thing, the UPC and all that. This is an old season color. Like I said, I didn't see it in the store when I went there, and they didn't really have anything in this color, and there was only a few left online, so I don't know that you'll see this if you go looking for it in a store. Comes with a dust bag. And then the shoes themselves. Look at this green. So it's actually showing very true to color on the screen. It has the Medusa head detail and then the Greek key on the side. And at first I thought it was like dirty, but it's actually not. You can just see through the center area. Like you can see where the product is put together. This color is fabulous though. So this is my actual foot size, which is a 9. I wear an 8.5 or 9 in shoes, flat shoes. And these are 9. I did try the 8.5 on at the Versace store, and they were definitely too small. So I knew I was gonna need to order the 9, and that's what I did. And I am so excited. So I think they're so cute. So thank you so much for unboxing with me today. See you later.
So I won't hold back, and you should know that was never good, just have regrets. So I won't go back, oh, what got me to forget the time I lost.
I'm going to unbox some stuff. I picked up this partial angel refill bottle from one of the online groups. I just wanted just a partial. And then I bought something from Blue Mercury. So we're going to unbox this. First of all, They sent it just like this. They didn't put any tape on it. So not excited about that. But I'm assuming that is my receipt. Anyway, what else in here? So this is a free gift. R&Co Balloon Soft Volume Spray. I will try that out. And then we have some samples. Taka Julieta. And a skincare sample. I've never heard of this brand. It's a pad. Ooh, I like that for travel. Okay. And then I purchased from Wilhelm Perfumery 15 ml black citrus. So I'm gonna have to set you down. This is what it looks like. It's the travel size, but it's significantly heavy. It's 15 ml, I think. 20 ml. Ooh, I didn't even realize. So anyway, let me open this and we'll talk about it. All right, so that is the inside of the box. If you hear my cat meowing, my cat is meowing in the background. I don't know what she's about. She's probably out like meowing at something outside. Okay, this is gonna be a chore, so hold on. Freddy is that. So it comes in a box. This is the travel size. So I thought this was 15 ml. Can't get it open. I'm struggling. Oh, because I'm opening it upside down. You guys, it comes off like this. So I thought this was 15 ml, and I paid $90 for it. I had a coupon from Blue Mercury. That's why I got it. But it's actually 20 ml, and I think the 30 ml is like 100 and something. So I was really excited to see this size for 90. Or maybe it's a 50 ml. That's black citrus. Let's give it a spray. I'm just gonna spray it. So first sniff. I like it quite a bit. That's my unboxing. From Blue Mercury. So nervous. So I decided to do some makeup today. I just kind of just did a casual makeup. My hair I did wash a couple days ago, but it's really flat from being slept on. And I'm in pajamas. I am gonna cook. I'm gonna make chicken fried steaks. I'm not looking at you, I'm looking at myself. So I'll show you that. But I thought I'd just show you. For the foundation, I used the violet base. I'd have to see it in like natural light to be able to tell better, but I think I liked it. I think so. And the foundation is MAC Face and Body. And I use the Wild Dahlia palette on my eyes, just like a little bit of eyeshadow. I use the Dior Backstage on my cheeks. And a Velveteen, the Lime Crime plushies in mochi milk tea. It might just be milk tea. Anyway, I'll show you my chicken fried steak. All right, here is the finished product. I just poured a little bit of soy sauce. Ew, why is this so dirty? And some sauce that I made over the top of the rice and the breaded beef on the meat. So I have to go pick up a package. I'll unbox for you guys. So I took out a bunch of trash. And then micro Starbucks. It's only 90 degrees. It feels hotter than that, but at the same time you can tell. Like, you can tell it's hotter, but so anyway. We're just doing the bike shorts, the loose top, the basic cast slides. I need to throw them away because they're broken. And then my package carrying bag. All right, it's a freaking great ass, funny ass day. Oh yeah. Okay. Anyway, that's the fit. I am so pale. I look tan though through the lens.
Hello. How's that seem when you're out? I'm like, oh, it is.
I know. It doesn't happen.
Your cat the other day, the one with both legs, I had to help him get back to the side. Like,
He pushes this window open. You're fine. All right, let's unbox. I can't do it with one hand, and my cat is not helping. So, all right, so it is a fashion file package, like fashion file with their stuff. I'm actually selling a purse back to them. I have to go tomorrow to drop that off. The fashion file. I need a new one, thank goodness. Should put those in somebody's package. So this usually has like a little coupon code, but not today. Apparently they thought I got a discount already. So this is like all packaging. This is the item I purchased. I got this in their sale on sale. Cat is being so ridiculous. I got, get out of here, you. You know what? I'll put this over there for you to be interested in. So I got this on sale on sale. It was an additional 10% off the clearance prices. And this is something that I have had my eye on. Well, not this specific item, but I wanted something like this because part of the reason why I'm selling this bag back to Fashion File is because it has a leather interior. Most of my bags have scratching this up. Most of my bags have a canvas or fabric interior, but I realized that if I get another bag that has a leather interior at some point, I'm gonna need something like this. So what I picked up from Louis Vuitton. This is the Louis Vuitton Epi leather key holder. I'm gonna look at it off the camera because I can't really see what's going on, but I'm excited. Hold on. Can we just appreciate the amount of work that my cat is putting in to getting into this box here? He is just going crazy. So anyway, there is some flaws, but I already knew this was already on a sale. This was extremely inexpensive for a Louis Vuitton small leather good. One thing I do appreciate about purchasing from places like Fashion File or even The Real, anywhere where they have, get out of here, someone in their, like, in their office doing the grading of stuff, is that almost always it is in better condition than you're expecting when you get it. So this is the Epi leather. It's very durable. It has the hot stamp Louis Vuitton there. And then it is made in Spain, but the interior is in a good condition. There's not peeling or anything. There is some rubbing here where somebody obviously had their keys, and there's some rubbing on the like the color, but otherwise it looks really nice. So it didn't come with any accessory like the dust bag or box or anything, but like when I tell you it was pretty inexpensive, I'm not lying. So let me show you what my plans are. Right now, all my keys are on this keychain, which has a ton of stuff. And I like keychains. I like carrying keychains. I like having them as an expression of my likes, my interests. But like I said, when I had the leather interior bag, I realized that this is just scratching at the interior. So I'm gonna put my keys into this wallet. I'm also gonna put a little bit probably of cash because it has this really nice like little slide, this little slide feature. It actually goes all the way through. It's not a pocket, but I'm sure you could tuck all sorts of things in there. But I use this wallet. So it's pretty full already. So what I will probably do is just take out the little bit of cash that I have in there. Like, I have so many cards. Oh, there's some more cash. Oh, there's more cash. Girl, I'm rich. Anyway, so that it just makes a little bit more space, and tuck it back behind here. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I don't have a car, so I don't have a car key. I just have my house key, and then this is a safe key. But so yeah, that's pretty much my plans. And then when I do get a car, hopefully someday when it's less expensive, I can add that. But now I can put this in a different, you know, a wallet and not worry about scratching. Or if I have, you know, just want to take something small, I can stick my ID in there as well. So handy. And then I still have my keychains. I have a bottle opener on here. Like, this is a necessity for Las Vegas. So this will stay in my bigger purses, but I'll keep the keys separate. Yay! If anybody's been wondering, like, what's with all the luxury good purchases? Like, what's up with, you know, you're spending all this money on luxury goods? I'm actually not, because I haven't purchased perfume this month. I've bought a few bottles here and there, but they've been quite inexpensive. So, basically the money that I spend on perfume, I've just been allocating to something different this month. So, yeah, I'll see you later. Like, there's no way for me to not look extremely inappropriate. So I think tonight I might just watch a movie. I really want to watch that one with Sandra Bullock and Channing Tatum where she's like the romance author. But the last place I saw it was on YouTube, and it was a rental for $20. Like, I am not, oh, there's Starfader. I'm not renting a $20 movie, bitch. No. But I want to watch it. I want to have like a movie night. I don't know what to do. So actually, I can watch The Lost City now. It's on Paramount Plus. So I probably will, but oh my god, Paramount Plus has the crappiest like player. I don't know. Okay, do you remember back in the day, like if you wanted to watch MTV shows online, like you could watch them for free, but their like internal player, like their built-in video codes like were so bad that it just wouldn't load. Paramount Pluses are like that bad. I subscribed to watch the Halo series, and I ended up watching everything but the first and second episodes on my phone because it just works better on my phone. But I don't want to watch a movie on my phone. Wait, let me play better. So instead of buffering and like fully buffering, it doesn't buffer ahead. It just like plays as it streams, so it's constantly being interrupted because of the network. If you had a really good network, I'm sure it was fine. Like I said, it's a lot better on my phone. Oh, but this shouldn't be a problem in 2022. Like a freaking show or movie on a pay system should buffer. I'm so annoyed. Right. Huh?
Luke's Lobster.
Hey, Fabulous Freddy's. Should get a cat backpack. Whoever would love it. Oh, donkeys! That's new.
You want to stop and grab a coffee?
Yeah, we could do that. That used to be Starbucks, though. That donkeys used to be Starbucks.
That's the one inside there. Is that what it
Yeah, this one used to be Starbucks.
Now hiring.
I don't want to work for donkeys.
Got my donkeys, here's Mojo.
This probably isn't even open. Oh.
Team Sport.
Right. Hello. Good. Do you want coffee? Do I actually want coffee? Yeah, but you can't really go wrong. Wait, look at, they have a cake batter latte. Is that gross or is it good? Does it sound good? But it's one of those
I'm not
things.
a latte fan because it's still too bitter, but if you want to put the cake batter swirl in an iced coffee, or you can always grab his with cake.
Does it taste actually like cake batter or does it taste sweet? Because if I
Pringles, it has like that Pringle taste, and then like the
right,
it kind of has like the syrup taste, and then it has like the cake batter that we do after.
because I like cake batter things. Like I like cake batter flavored ice cream and stuff. Okay,
Especially with
maybe I'll try that.
If I walk to the sea, maybe I never say forever into the light. Every time I try to breathe, but when we're right, you carry me where I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, hold back.
Get him a door.
Hey, what's going on? Not much. Ready for happy hour, you know?
Oh yeah.
You and me both. 3 shots.
What are you starting with?
I was probably just gonna grab a rocks margarita.
Okay.
No salt.
I'll do the frozen strawberry. Sugar, yes. And then I am gonna get food. I just don't know what yet. Okay, thank
That'd be
you.
great. Thank you.
I'm like,
You can order big boy menu too if you want. It's just,
I know.
but nibbles are fun too. Like we could maybe get some
Well, I
nachos
don't know
to
if I'm
share.
that hungry though. Like, I'm hungry, but how hungry is the
Yeah.
question.
I was thinking maybe we could split some nachos and go from there.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Like the loaded nacho?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
You want pollo or no?
I don't eat all that much.
What I was gonna say is like try to, get out in the yard. Still lives in that same place, right? Like
Yeah.
on the, if you need a little break, take a walk around, the thing. Grab your UFO or some headphones or something. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
like take advantage, like of opportunities to, get a little time by yourself. Try to maybe hook up with Brooke and hang out or whatever. Even if it's just, going over to her house and getting away from your mom for a couple hours or whatever.
I mean, I understand. Thank you. I'm very happy now. It looks so sticky. I want one of the beef tacos now.
What's that?
I want one of the beef tacos now.
Tomorrow we're just eating spaghetti that I have already purchased. So
I just like shoved this plate at you like that was yours. Like, here you go. This is mine. This is yours. Good, thank you. Yeah.
got the cold on it.
Well, I was taking a drink, my freaking tongue rubbed against my teeth.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm like literally just like so tired.